In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for HR management. Employee Tracker. By the end, you'll have a clean, dependable base that helps you track employees, filter by status or department, and share updates with your HR team in seconds. Start by logging in to your Airtable account and creating a new base. Choose Add a base, then start from scratch and name it HR Employee Tracker. You can pick a color and icon to make it easy to spot later. Small details like color coding help you recognize your HR base quickly when you're juggling multiple projects. Open your new base and rename the first table to employees. Now set up your fields. Add employee ID and choose either a single line text or an auto number field. Auto number is great if you want a unique, consistent ID without manual typing. Add full name and position or job title as single line text. For department, use a single select so entries stay consistent. Add options like sales, marketing, IT, or HR. Add date of joining as a date field to track start dates. Use the email field type for contact accuracy and the phone number field for standardized formatting. Add status as a single select with options like active, on leave, and resigned. Finally, include a notes field as long text for any extra details you need to remember. If you don't have Airtable yet, I've placed a website link and download link right at the top of the description so you can sign up on the web or install the app before you follow along. Now start adding employee records. Click the plus sign to create a new row, then fill in each field for that person. Repeat until your current roster is in. If you're migrating from a spreadsheet, you can paste the rows directly into Airtable to speed things up. Once your data is in, make it work for you with views. Keep a default grid view called All Employees. Create an active employees view by filtering status to active. Group by department to see headcount per team at a glance. Sort by date of joining to surface upcoming work anniversaries and plan recognition or check-ins. Leverage Airtable features to manage HR tasks smoothly. Use sorting and filtering to find people by department, status, or join date. Grouping helps you visualize teams and staffing changes. Switch to calendar view to see joining dates or contract renewals on a timeline. Attach documents like contracts, IDs, and resumes right on each employee's record. When you're ready to collaborate, share the base with your HR colleagues, giving view or edit access as needed. Finally, keep your tracker updated, regularly review status changes, department moves, and contact info so your records stay accurate and useful. Thanks for watching.